What's up? What's up? It's your boy Jonathan Belcher here. You know, feeling good. Just parked up. I'm actually waiting for my mechanic to come outside. He got to do some work on the car real quick. So I'm just listening to some music, waiting for him for a few minutes so he could do this job on the car real quick. But yeah, I wanted to address, is email processing system legit? Is it fake? Is it a scam? You know, I want to address this because I know if you're anything like me, you know, when I was younger, when I used to work my 9-to-5 job, I don't know, you know, I was just always that kid that would go to work every single day for 8 hours. At that time, I was making only $8.50 an hour. And every single day, I would just envision myself being free to be my own boss. I would just envision myself being free to do what I want when I want. Because I know a lot of people out there who are making good money at their job. A lot of people. And to be honest with you, those same people hit me up all the time because they're trying to look for a way out. They want freedom. And it's not so much a freedom of they just don't feel fulfilled. Because even though they're making a lot of money, what they're doing for the money, most of their time, 8 to 12 hours of their day, is going towards doing something that they feel is lower than them, or something that doesn't fulfill them on the inside. I hope you catch what I'm trying to say. Because you have two things in life. You have a 9-to-5 job, and then you have a purpose. You know what I'm saying? A 9-to-5 job is just to get by, it's just to pay the bills, just to be able to survive. But a purpose is meant to help you to create income, change people's lives, but most importantly, help you to become fulfilled. So that's my purpose in making these videos and doing what I do, is because I want to inspire you. I want to motivate you and let you know that you can change your life. You can. You just got to believe in yourself. Whatever vision it is that you have, you just got to go for it and take action on it. I remember years ago when I was working my security job, if you told me that I was going to be making the money that I'm making today as my own boss, doing what I want when I want, following a life of purpose, I would have looked at you like you're lying. You know, I'm not going to be doing that. You get what I'm saying? But that's what it is. A lot of people want to feel fulfillment. I don't know where you are in your life, but I know for me, I wasn't fulfilled when I was working my 9-to-5 job before. Even if it was paying me more money, eventually I would have quit, because just the money alone, I'm more than just about money. You know, I want to make an impact here on the earth. I think being alive as a human being is about growth. It's about making an impact. It's about helping the world become a better place. It's about helping people become better. You get what I'm saying? Helping, that's what it's all about. So when we talk about email processing system, it's not a scam, because when you invest, just like in any other business, you got to invest. Even if I wanted to open up a deli, I'd have to pay at least probably, you know, $100,000 just to open up the deli. And I probably won't even see profit until a couple years later. You know what I mean? Because I got to sell stuff over the years, and I got to make sure that I'm over the rent, you know. So in business, there's always going to be a risk. It doesn't matter what business you really do. And I think people get confused because they think that they approach a business with a 9-to-5 mentality, you know. But in email processing system, this is for people who, you know, who may be in college, for people who may be at a 9-to-5 job that they feel stuck at. This is for people who may be stay-at-home moms. If you're a stay-at-home mom and you want to have something to do where you can control your time, control your income, and you can still take care of your family and your children at home, this is really who it's for. It's not for the extremely skeptical person out there who's afraid to invest in themselves. It's not for the person who's never, you know, thought about being in business or never thought about making some side income. It's not for that type of person. It's for the person who believes in, you know, really digging deep and pulling something great out of themselves. That's what the business is for. So let me just explain exactly what it is, you know, what it is you're gonna get. So when you invest the $25, if you join my team today, all you gotta do is click the link in the description below. Once you pay the $25, just hit me up on Facebook. What I'm gonna do is send you over the training suite, the step-by-step training suite, showing you how to market the business and as well as make sales using the internet every single day. So you don't gotta leave your house, you don't gotta meet with strangers, you don't gotta put on some fake ass uniform like I used to do at my 9-to-5 job as a security guard and put on a fake smile at the job that I hated. You don't have to do none of that stuff, right? You don't even have to do anything at all once you join if you don't want to. I wouldn't advise that, because just like anything else in life, if you don't do anything at all, you're not gonna make any money. You know, lazy people just don't get paid. And before you can be lazy, you gotta put a lot of work in first. So even at a 9-to-5 job, it works like that, right? If you don't come and show up and you don't put the work in and you don't take action, they're gonna fire you, right? They're not gonna pay you. So that's similarly to how, you know, email processing system work. The only difference is you don't have a boss breathing down your neck. You don't have somebody telling you when to go on lunch break, when not to go to lunch break. So the thing is, you have to manage your time by yourself because you're an entrepreneur, but at least you get the freedom. You get the freedom of experiencing what it feels like to make money in your sleep. You're gonna get the freedom to understand what it feels like to make money while on the go, you know, or at a restaurant with a friend. You're gonna get the freedom to feel what that feels like to make money leveraging your time. Because a lot of people, I'm gonna tell you what a false myth is. Because society has become so used to just working a 9-to-5 job, we think money comes from a clock. That's in our head. We think, oh, if I work this amount of hours, I add up the amount of money I get paid per hour. Okay, that's my income. And then we assume this is how we make money, from a clock. That's wrong. That's wrong. What rich people and affluent people understand is this. Look, money don't come from a clock. The only place that money comes from is other people who have money. If your job that you work at right now weren't making profit from the productivity that you was putting into that company at your job, if they weren't making any profit, how would they be able to pay you as an employee? You know what I'm saying? They wouldn't be able to pay you, right? Because they're not making money. They gotta put you out, lay you off, and go out of business, right? So it's like in entrepreneurship, it's the same type of thing, right? It's the same type of thing. Same type of thing. So I want you to understand that in business, you make money from people, right? If I go to anywhere right now and I go buy something, the money came from me. I transferred the money from my pocket to somebody else's pocket for something that I wanted, for something of value, something that I thought, you know, I needed or I wanted or I desired. So that's really all business is. It's very, very simple. I think people get too skeptical and they complicate it. Email processing system is not meant to be complicated. It's very, very simple. It's a business where it's 100% legit, right? All you need, you get the website. As soon as you become a member of my team, give you the website. You don't have to set up your own website, none of that stuff, right? You don't have to do your own training. You don't have to train none of your members. I already have the training in place. All you gotta do is follow the training step by step. There's copy and paste ads that's gonna allow you to generate leads and sales on a daily basis in email processing system. All you gotta do is follow the videos, right? It's step by step. Literally a 5-year-old can do it. It's not meant to be something for people who have high education or anything like that. So I want you to know that anybody can do this. That's the whole point of what I'm trying to say. As long as you have a goal and a dream and you want something bigger for yourself, I don't know what that is. Maybe you want to buy your mom a house. I don't know. Maybe you want to retire your dad. I don't know. Maybe you want to buy your children everything they've wanted this Christmas. I don't know what you're dealing with, but one thing I do know for sure is that the opportunity is out there. And it's up to you to either pass on opportunity continuously or take advantage of some. You know, a lot of people out there in life, you know, I see people out there in life. Hold on 1 second, let me just check. Okay. I see a lot of people out there in life complaining every single day, and I'm just like, what's the point of complaining if you're not taking any action to change your situation? Like, it's like so weird to me. It's like, oh, because, you know, my vision is to help people get free. My vision is to help people to believe in themselves so they can step to a higher level, so that you can command the respect, command the income, command the lifestyle that you want, right? But it's a mental game. It's all mental. It's more mental than it is the actual work. So when I see people, you know, I deal with people in my family, I deal with friends sometimes, they complain about the bill, they complain. And I'm just like, you know, there's opportunity out there. If you weren't so skeptical, if you weren't so closed-minded, if you didn't block off everything, if you didn't see the negative in everything, things in your life will change. If you started to see the positive, if you took advantage of an opportunity and say, you know what, this is it. I'm gonna make up my mind that this is what I'm gonna do. I'm not turning back. I'm not looking to the left. I'm not looking to the right. I'm going for this. Your life has to change because you made a decision that is so focused, so laser targeted that nothing can come in the way of that. The universe has to give you what you want when you think like that, you know. But that's what it's about, you know. In this world, that's what my vision is. You're gonna be free. That's my vision. There's gonna be people free. There's gonna be college kids driving Bentleys. There's gonna be college kids driving Lamborghinis. There's gonna be people who worked 9-to-5 jobs for the last 10 years being able to quit because of the email processing system and what me and my team are doing here. We're providing the sales and marketing training. We're providing all that stuff. We're providing the websites. We're providing all that stuff, the community, the support. It's up to you. To me, it's a no-brainer. One-time fee of $25 to get started. You can upgrade to the $50 and $100 level at any time you want. I mean, just hit me up. You know, if this makes sense what I'm talking about, hit me up. Peace.